The Meta Quest 3 is a cutting-edge VR headset that takes virtual reality to new heights. At $159, it offers an upgraded experience with better performance, clearer graphics, and a more immersive feel than its predecessors. Made by Meta, formerly Facebook, this headset boasts a powerful new processor, sharper displays, and advanced tracking technology. This means you can fully dive into a range of VR experiences, be it gaming, socializing, or learning, without needing a PC or extra sensors. Comfort is key with the Quest 3. It has a slimmer, lighter design that's perfect for extended play sessions. Plus, its wireless setup and broad selection of apps and games make it easy to access high-quality VR without the usual hassle. Overall, the Meta Quest 3 represents a big leap forward in making virtual reality accessible and enjoyable. Whether you're a gamer, a social butterfly, or just curious about VR, Microsoft HoloLens 2 is taking mixed reality to a whole new level, blending the physical and digital worlds like never before. With HoloLens 2, holograms become a part of our everyday lives, offering a truly immersive experience. Its sleek design and advanced features change the way we interact with information and work together. From exciting gaming experiences to powerful tools for industries, HoloLens 2 lets users see, create, and interact with digital content in completely new ways. It has the potential to reshape industries, improve how we work, and open up endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. HoloLens 2 isn't just another piece of tech. It's a game changer for the future of computing. As the lines between reality and digital experiences fade, HoloLens 2 offers a glimpse into what's possible. Step into the future today. The Hacky Pi is a cool gadget for anyone into tech, especially those interested in ethical hacking. It looks like a small, chunky flash drive and works easily on any operating system without needing extra drivers. Even better, it supports multiple programming languages and comes loaded with different programs to play around with, like freezing a system or automatically turning software and devices on or off. What's neat is the focus on ethical hacking. Unlike hackers who cause damage, ethical hackers search for weaknesses in a system to help fix them, making computers safer from attacks. With over 286 million devices sold in 2022, across Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS, security tools like Hacky Pi can be super helpful. If you're curious about hacking, Hacky Pi might be right up your alley. It's not only a fun way to sharpen your skills, but you could also start learning ethical hacking for just $24, which is quite affordable. However, the catch is you'll have to wait a little. Häuslein, which means little house in German, may have a simple name, but it's making a big impact in the tiny home industry. Featured by Forbes and Business Insider, this Australian company is on a mission to change how we live by offering a home that lets you travel the world without losing that cozy at-home feeling. The Häuslein tiny house is compact yet fully equipped, measuring 9 by 2.5 by 4.3 meters and weighing less than 4.5 tons. This means it can be driven on public roads in Australia, making it perfect for those who want the freedom to move around. Despite its size, the house comes with all the essentials: lighting, furniture, and plumbing, making it ready to live in right away. Ideal for travelers and even campground owners, the top model can sleep up to 6 people, providing a functional yet comfortable space. The Hohem iSteady V2 is an advanced smartphone gimbal designed to enhance your video recording experience. It features AI face tracking, a built-in LED video light, and impressive battery life, making it perfect for vlogging, live streaming, and more. This gimbal is compatible with most smartphones weighing up to 280 grams. With its innovative AI vision sensor, the iSteady V2 automatically tracks your face, keeping you centered in the frame even as you move. This feature is especially useful for dynamic content creation. The gimbal also includes an adjustable LED video light with 3 brightness levels, making it easy to capture great footage in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the iSteady V2 is its long battery life, lasting up to 9 hours, much longer than many other smartphone gimbals on the market. Whether you're shooting a casual video or a professional live stream, The HP Reverb G2 VR headset is designed for serious virtual reality fans, offering impressive features for an immersive experience. It boasts dual 2.12-inch LCD displays with a sharp 2060 by 2160 resolution per eye, creating stunning visuals with a 114-degree field of view that makes VR feel natural and lifelike. What sets the G2 apart is its comfortable design, featuring adjustable straps, a padded faceplate, and customizable ear cups, making it easy to wear for extended periods. Another plus is its inside-out tracking system, which eliminates the need for external sensors, making setup quick and easy. The headset is also compatible with Windows Mixed Reality, giving users access to a wide range of VR games and experiences. While it excels in high-resolution visuals, wide field of view, and comfort, there are a few drawbacks. The Hyperport concept is set to revolutionize cargo transport by using Hyperloop technology at ports. This innovative idea can propel shipping containers at speeds similar to airplanes, helping reduce transport times, ease congestion, and lower carbon emissions. By using magnetic levitation and electric propulsion inside low-pressure tubes, these capsules can reach speeds of up to 670 miles per hour. Designed to work with existing port infrastructure, Hyperport creates a fast and efficient cargo network, connecting ports to major inland logistics hubs. One of its standout features is its eco-friendly design, running entirely on electricity and producing no emissions, making it a greener solution for freight transport. By speeding up the flow of cargo, Hyperport can dramatically reduce shipping times and boost supply chain efficiency. The T-Hill portable water filtration system is a must-have for anyone on the go who needs clean water in any situation. Compact and portable, it's about the size of a toolbox, making it super easy to carry. This system efficiently removes bacteria, viruses, parasites, heavy metals, and other harmful elements so you can safely drink water from a puddle or, in extreme conditions like a desert, even filter urine. Its filters last for an impressive 3,000 liters and can produce 500 milliliters of drinking water in just a minute. Powered by two built-in 6,000 milliamp-hour batteries, the system can handle up to 2,000 filtering cycles before needing a recharge. Weighing only 6 kilograms, it's light enough to carry with one hand, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, camping trips, or emergency situations. At a price of around $299, the T-Hill portable water filtration system. The JBL Tour Pro 2 earbuds come with a unique twist, a touchscreen built right into the charging case. It might sound like a small change, but it's incredibly useful. With the touchscreen, you can easily control your music, tweak the equalizer, adjust noise cancellation, and even check social media notifications without pulling out your phone. These earbuds offer up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge. The case supports wireless charging and can give you an extra 4 hours of listening time with just 15 minutes of charging. The JBL Tour Pro 2 also features upgraded microphones and advanced noise cancellation. Its ambience-aware technology lets you have conversations and stay aware of your surroundings, like hearing approaching traffic without taking off your earbuds. All these smart features are available for around $220. The Kitchen Cruiser is a game changer for camping enthusiasts, and it's easy to see why it's called the ultimate camping kitchen. In just seconds, this compact box, about the size of a nightstand, unfolds into a complete cooking station. Measuring 56.5 by 40.5 by 47.5 centimeters, it's packed with everything you need for outdoor cooking, including multiple tables, a detachable stove, a gas tank, and even a sink with a faucet. What's more, it's made from space-grade aluminum, so it's tough yet lightweight, weighing only 19.5 kilograms. With such a smart design and impressive features, it's no surprise that the Kitchen Cruiser raised over $96,000 on Kickstarter. The Kohler H2Wise system is a smart solution to combat water waste caused by aging pipes, which lead to an astonishing loss of about 2 trillion liters of drinking water each year in the U.S. Designed for both apartments and private homes, this system gives you peace of mind by promptly detecting leaks, diagnosing plumbing issues, and monitoring water usage in real time. Installation is a breeze. You can set it up yourself. Plus, all the important data is accessible through a user-friendly mobile app, making it easy to keep an eye on potential issues. The best part? The basic version is budget-friendly, priced at just $56. Meet the KNZ Go Duo, your go-to portable wireless stereo speakers. Whether you use them together or on their own, these speakers deliver amazing sound quality, reaching up to 15 meters away. With an impressive battery life of up to 18 hours on a single charge, they're perfect for all your adventures. Each speaker packs 5 watts of power, making them louder than many similar products, and the built-in subwoofers give you rich, satisfying bass that music lovers will enjoy. Designed to last, these speakers come in waterproof polycarbonate cases and feature magnets for easy attachment to metal surfaces. Plus, they include a handy silicone pouch with a ring, so you can easily clip them to your backpack or bike. Their smart design has even made them finalists in the respected IF Design Award competition. And the best part? You can snag a pair for around $50. Around 55 million people globally suffer from dementia, according to WHO experts, and one common symptom is memory loss. This can lead to situations where someone might leave home and forget how to get back. That's where the Jeeper GPS tracker comes in. It helps ensure that a lost person can always be found on a map. The Jeeper tracker offers a global roaming option for just $9 a month, allowing it to work in 150 countries without the hassle of dealing with different mobile networks. It's lightweight, weighing only 74 grams, so it can easily fit in a pocket or be worn around the neck without any discomfort. Priced at $140, the Jeeper tracker isn't just useful for people with dementia. It's also great for keeping track of luggage, monitoring kids during trips, and ensuring peace of mind in many other situations where you want to stay connected and safe. The Luba 2 is a game changer in robotic lawn care. Unlike traditional models, it doesn't require boundary wires, making it much easier and more flexible to use. Thanks to its smart sensors and navigation system, the Luba 2 can mow lawns of all shapes and sizes while smoothly avoiding obstacles in its path. What really stands out is the wire-free setup, which means installation is a breeze. No more complicated steps to get started. This makes it a perfect option for homeowners who want a simple, efficient way to keep their lawns neat without the hassle. With its cutting-edge features and easy-to-use design, the Luba 2 is ready to change how we take care of our outdoor spaces. It offers a more convenient, hands-off approach to lawn maintenance, making it ideal for anyone looking for a stress-free solution. Magnetic foldable parts tray is a smart solution for keeping small items like bolts, nuts, and washers in place. Made from flexible silicone, this tray easily folds up for storage when you're not using it. What makes it stand out are the magnets built into the base. The Marstec B2500 is a space-saving energy storage system that's ideal for solar setups on balconies or verandas. Thanks to its compact design, it easily fits in small spaces, making it perfect for city living. One of its key models, the MTE B2500, boasts a large storage capacity of 6,720 watt-hours, providing plenty of backup energy for your needs. Even better, it's incredibly easy to install. It takes just 15 minutes, so you can get it up and running in no time. If you're looking for a smaller option, the MTE B2500 also comes in a 2,240 watt version at a more affordable price. This makes it a great option for anyone wanting a reliable and efficient way to store solar energy without breaking the bank. Spider-Man Homecoming was a huge success, raking in over $880 million worldwide with a $175 million budget. Along with the film, there's some awesome merchandise, including the Spider-Man Homecoming Rapid Reload Blaster. This Nerf blaster lets you mimic Spider-Man's web-slinging moves. The Metro Max Plus is a handy four-wheel mobility scooter, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It can go up to 16 miles on a single charge and reach speeds close to 5 miles per hour. With a weight limit of 300 pounds, it's strong enough to handle slopes up to 8 degrees, making it ideal for various surfaces. Powered by a 24-volt, 300-watt motor and two 20-hour lead-acid batteries, it delivers reliable performance. The batteries are easy to remove and charge, so you won't have any hassle keeping it powered up. Designed with comfort in mind, the scooter features a cushioned seat, a supportive backrest, adjustable armrests, and a swivel throttle for easy handling. For safety, the Metro Max Plus includes both a headlight and tail light, making it safe to use in low-light conditions. Priced at around $1,300,